What's up, guys? It's your girl XOCham back with another video. Today's video is super exciting for me because I'm going to share with you guys my skincare routine. And I'm also going to be doing a Mario Badescu review, because that's the skincare products that I'm currently using, and I am overwhelmingly happy with them. Like, you get results the next day. So I'm not going to talk too much in this intro. I'm just going to literally get started. What I am actually reviewing is, where's the box? Oh. So I was having a really bad skincare week about 2 weeks ago, and I went and purchased this from Ulta. It is the Acne Starter Kit by Mario Badescu. I actually bought this Acne Starter Kit, the Acne Repair Kit, and then I got, of course, I got these sprays, which I definitely love. They're my favorite. I even use them on my clients. And it came with this little packet of full of goodies and samples, and I haven't actually dived into the samples yet. And I also got this complexion stick from Burt's Bees, and this works really good as well. It smells really good. So I'm just gonna go through all of this and just walk through everything and tell you guys exactly you know, how I feel about these products. So I start off with the Acne Facial Cleanser, and I just literally go in a circular motion, and I'm just going to take this down through my neck, because lately I've just been problematic on my chest and my neck as well. And literally just massage this into my face in a circular motion. And make sure that your face is wet, that you do wet your face. I usually don't wet my face first. I actually apply the product on first and then I wet it. But, you know, you can do what you want to do. This is not, it doesn't have like any sulfates in it, and it doesn't fizz or get soapy. And so I really like that. And I love the way it smells. It's very mild smelling. So I'm just going to use my white washcloth with warm water, and I'm just going to literally wipe it off. Now I'm going to go a little bit in depth, more in depth with this skincare routine, and I'm going to show you what I do at nighttime and show you how to actually differentiate it from daytime to nighttime. So if I was to be doing this throughout the daytime or in the morning, I would go in with my toner. This is the Special Cucumber Lotion, and this is perfect. This is for combination and oily skin. And I just use my cotton ball and use my toner, and I'm just going to go over my face with it. So I'm going to use the cotton ball, and I'm just going to apply this toner to my cotton ball. And this is very mild smelling as well. Do you guys see that scarring? I'm going to do a video. This is my first skincare video of me actually treating this. And then I want to do a video maybe in about 6 weeks to see exactly my results. Because honestly, I'm showing results from the breakout that I did have. And honestly, I think the breakout that I had really didn't have to do with anything with skincare. I think it had to do with my diet. So yeah. So next, what I'm going to do is, after using that toner, I am going to go into my Acne Repair Kit. And this is what it would be, if I was to be doing a daytime in the morning tutorial for you guys. I would just literally go right in and use my moisturizer right after that, my oil-free moisturizer, and then spray my face down using the facial spray. But I'm going to go in with the buffering lotion, And so in the acne repair kit, it comes with a few things. I'll show you exactly what it comes with. Maybe I should tell you that. It comes with buffering lotion. It comes with drying cream, and this is drying lotion. I love all of these products. Literally love, love, love them. The buffering lotion, this is actually, these are overnight things. So this is what you're going to use literally at night. I'm going to start off using my buffering cream or buffering lotion and just literally apply it to my fingertips. And I'm going to apply that on my skin. And this buffering lotion, it says that it helps with painful under the skin blemishes while preventing further breakouts. So it definitely helps with killing those bacteria that you may have on your skin that may cause other breakouts. So I want to just apply this to my neck. And I'm just going to apply that to my chest. Okay. Now I'm going to also go in now. I'm actually going to use a drying mask this time. The drying mask, it actually looks just like this. It has a very strong sulfury smell to it. Not gonna lie, it definitely does. And I'm just gonna apply this to any areas that I'm having trouble with. If you're having breakouts, this is a good mask to use. I definitely think so. I don't know why I'm having breakouts under my neck, but I am. I'm just going to apply it on my chest as well. My skin also tends to change throughout the change of the seasons. So we're just going, it's okay. We're going to treat all of this. And so with everything that I purchased that I've shown you guys, I think I spent about $113, which is actually pretty reasonable for all of these products. I know it may be like a small amount, it's not like a big size, but to actually get my hands on all these products to really get my skin back in the condition where it needs to be, I think it's an amazing deal. And it gave me, I'll show you actually what's in my sample kit. So it's a box like this, and I got it from Ulta. And you actually get this box if you spend $50 right now. So it comes with the enzyme cleaning gel. And this is actually good. I actually use this on my clients. This is a non-foaming cleanser to remove makeup. And I love this. It does not hurt your eyes, but of course I don't put it in their eyes, but it's a really good cleanser. Then it comes with a small mini facial spray, so you can put that in your makeup bag. This is a cucumber cleansing lotion. So this is actually a different one than this one. So I'm excited to use that. I didn't even notice that. And then this is a buttermilk moisturizer. So that's going to also go in my traveling bag. But that's a nice sample. I definitely think so. And nice sizes as well. So this is drying. And it says let it sit for about 20 minutes. So I'll see you guys. Well, what else can we talk about? So what else came into the acne repair kit? It was this drying lotion. And it's like this, and it tells you not to shake it up. And basically what you do is you put a Q-tip in here, you pop this on that bad boy, and it dries it up, and it does a phenomenal job. Like, I had a huge pimple here the other day, and I put this on. I mean, you can still see the scarring because I was bothering it, but it just was not as juicy at all. What else to talk about? Drying cream. Okay, so drying cream and drying mask so the drying cream came in the acne starter kit, and the drying mask came in the acne repair kit. Yeah. So the difference between the cream and the mask, I need to figure this out now. So the difference between the cream and the mask. So the mask you leave on for about 20 minutes and then you rinse with warm water. The cream, you literally just put this on your face and you know, throughout the day. You can put it under your moisturizer. And I think this was just make sure that it is dry, but you do want to make sure that you put a moisturizer on top of it because it will leave your skin parched. Definitely so. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this from my face, and I'm just going to use some warm water and my white washcloth, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so it's been about 20 minutes and I've let it completely dry, and so this is what it looks like in its dry state. So I'm just going to remove this using warm water. And honestly, I'm going to tell you, it does leave your skin feeling really dry afterwards and like it needs a good moisture bath. But that's okay because the whole key and the goal for using this drying mask is to dry up those problem areas that you're having. I'm going to go in with the oil-free moisturizer. A dime amount is actually pretty good for your entire face. Make sure that I just go in a circular motion. Make sure that we're covering the entire circumference of your face. Next, I'm going to go in with my Burt's Bees complexion stick, and this is just going to help kill those any bacteria. And it actually it says that I mean, this is something that works overnight. Like, I've seen results overnight. So I'm just going to go to those problem areas, and it is strong. This is tea tree oil, and anybody who uses tea tree oil knows tea tree oil really does kill bacteria. So I'm just going to apply this in those areas. It smells so good. It's so strong and potent. It feels so good. Then last but not least, it is nighttime, so I'm just going to go with my Mario Badescu facial spray. And that's it. This is my skincare routine. Well, this is actually my nightly skincare routine for the most part. I hope you enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and let me know if there's anything else that you would like to see. XOCHM.